I'm signing off the road here. I got my chains on. Look, I'm signing off the road. So I'm chaining up on a sheet of ice to go get a load. And it's sketchy as fuck. But this is why we get paid the big bucks. It's raining right now. And it is. Empty starting up at 500. Zero. No close.
I want to put another set on to go down that freaking one there. It's freaking slippery, boy. Oh yeah, is there anything along the edges down there? Well there is this snow a little bit, I guess, but the truck at 3.5 there waiting. Are you turning around or what are you gonna do?
I'll probably follow your lead, but it's pretty bad, yeah. Even just putting my chains on at zero there, I couldn't even stand up and my truck slid sideways in the ditch.
I know, yeah.
This isn't my truck, but I was looking for a steering chain. I don't see one.
And I think I'm just gonna turn around. I don't know if I can turn here though. Yeah, well, that's what I did. I just turn around and go back. It's just not worth it.
Yeah, I'll do that. So,
509 down.
we're called off. Can't even stand up here. I couldn't even fucking stand up. Truck slid in the ditch. I think that's the best call. I've already wrecked one truck this week. I'm not gonna wreck another.
502 download.
And 2 empties cleared at 505. And if you can relay, if someone can relay up there that we won't be going back, that'd be awesome.
Who's that?
This is Theron and Terry.
I'll make sure that they got it.
I know you're coming up here from the stop sign to zero there, and it's like very use caution. Very use caution. It's fucking very use caution, man. We're just meeting that vehicle here in Ford. Fucking very use caution, man. Fucking zero to we're coming up, man. And Jared from Jericho to stop by as I was chaining off and gave me these fancy fucking foot spikies. Grip. That's cool. Are you on there, Troy?
Hello.
Hello, it is Theron, and I have been turned around and coming back empty. What would you like me to do?
Head off.